Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add items on your wish list on Discord. Now, before we start, keep in mind this wish list feature is still experimental, which means it's only available to a limited number of users on desktop and browser. So, what exactly is a wish list? It's a cool new feature that lets you save items from the Discord shop that you want to own. This makes it easier for your friends or community members to see what gifts you'd love to receive. But note, you can't add items you already own, or exclusive items or bundles to your wish list. Now, here's how to add items. Simply go to the Discord shop and browse for the item you want. When you hover over an item's card, you'll see a wish list button appear. It looks like this one, the heart symbol. So what you need to do is just simply go ahead and click that, and there we go. It's already added on your wish list. Alternatively, if you're on the items details page, you'll also see a wish list button there. Just press it, and that item will show up in your wish list on your profile. Now, to go to your wish list, just click this heart icon above. Then, as you can see here, this is all the items I have on my wish list. That's it. Super easy. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.